Okay, so for activity 3 of lesson 5, this is what we have to do for this. And it talks about updating the values of the variable below. So the ellipse is drawn in the bottom center of the screen. So we want it kind of down here. Let's just make this a little bigger. So it's just change the values of the variable to update the position of the ellipse. You do not need to add any new blocks to your code. Just update the blocks that are already in the code area. So we want it kind of down here. And I already have the grid showing. So we kind of want it right here, right? We want it 200 by 300. So if we know that the variable, whatever this name is, wherever we place it, it's going to take this number and place it in there for us. This will comes in very helpful when we have more blocks, but it's helpful for this as well. So basically, wherever we type in X position, you're going to have 300 take its place, and what's the Y is going to have 100 here. So this is currently up here in the top, and we want this to be 200, 300. So the X position, we can go ahead and just change this and make this 200, and we want this to be 300. And so now it will take those numbers and plug those in there as opposed to what was there before. And if you notice, there it is in the bottom corner, or in the bottom of the screen. So that's how you do that. You just change these numbers right here. It makes it much easier. Say you had 4 or 5 ellipses and you had maybe all of them were going to have the same X position but maybe a different Y position. You could have the X position and just change one number and it will apply it to all those. So variables are very helpful in using, especially with multiple shapes, but just one shape is still very helpful because then you just change it up here. Hopefully that helps you, and good luck.